Hi Year 1, I hope you're all well and you've had a good Easter break, you've had lots of rest, lots of fun, and now you're ready for our new term of online learning. Before we start, I just want to remind you that you can email any of the work you do to the Year 1 email address because we'd love to see it. The Year 1 email address is yr1 for Year 1 at grange.harrow.sch.uk. So get your adults to help you out so you can share all of your work with the teachers because we're all waiting patiently and we'd love to see your hard work. So in geography this term, we are going to start learning about maps. We're going to learn about what they are, how to use them, why they're useful, and soon you'll have all of the knowledge you need to make your own map. A new knowledge organiser has been made and it's been put on the school website. Looks like this. So look for that on the school website. It explains all of the different things we'll be covering throughout the unit, so it'll be super helpful, and it's under the Year 1 tab in the curriculum section on the website. Today we're just going to look at some important vocabulary for the new topic, and we'll make a word bank all together that you can use to support your learning for all of the geography lessons we do this term. So make sure you're doing lots of good listening and I hope you enjoy. Okay, first of all, just like we do in the classroom, you need to write the long date. So turn to the next clean page in your books and on the top line write the long date, which today is Wednesday the 22nd of April 2020. You can pause the video while you do this. My first question is, what is a map? So here are some pictures to give you some clues. Pause the video here and talk to your adult about what you think a map is. A map is something that can show you where different things are. So using a map, you can find your way around. For example, if you went to visit somewhere new, you could use a map to help you get to different places. What is distance? So here are some more clues. Pause the video here and think about what distance could be. Distance is how far from each other two points are. So if I said, what is the distance between home and school? It would be the same as saying, how far is home from school, or how far is school from home? So the distance would be this space in between home and school. What is a compass? So you might not have seen a compass before. Here are some photos, some examples for you. And a compass is a tool for finding direction, and it has four main compass points, which are north, east, south and west. And you can see those points are represented by the letters, so N for north, E for east, S for south and W for west. So there's actually a rhyme to help you remember the compass points. This one is never eat slimy worms. So the first letter of each word in this phrase represent the letters that start the compass point names. So you read the compass points in a clockwise direction, so the same direction that a clock moves in. So you've got the N for never, stands for north. Eat, E stands for east, slimy, the S stands for south, and the W from worms stands for west. So if you want to remember the four compass points, the easier way to do it is to remember the phrase never eat slimy worms, and then you'll know all of the letters for the compass points. Next question, what is direction? So here are some clues to help you. Pause the video here, talk to your adult, what is direction? Direction is the path along which something moves. So you can get more detail by thinking about different direction words. So can you think of any examples of direction words? I'll move my bubble down, there we go. Here are some clues to help you. So pause the video, have a think with your adult. Can you think of any direction words? Maybe these clues will help you out. So these are just some examples, there might be lots more, but left, right, up, down, and if you're thinking about walking in different directions, you can think of forwards and backwards. Left and right can sometimes be confusing to remember, but if you think about being in school, we always walk on the left-hand side of the corridor, so you can remember left by thinking of which side of the corridor you walk on. Next, what is a symbol? So here are some examples of symbols. A symbol is a sign that is used to represent something else. So if you see the toilet sign on a map, which is that sign on the very right, that will show you where the toilets are. So now we've made our word bank of lots of different words relating to maps. You can find this word bank on the school website as well. It's in the Year 1 section of online learning, so you can have a copy for yourself to help you support your learning throughout the unit. Now Timmy the Turtle's back. He has just started learning about maps as well, but he's a bit confused about some of the new vocabulary. So can you help him? In your books, write down what the following words mean or what these things are. So the words are compass, map, direction, and distance. So have a think. If you need to, rewind the video and find all of the information you need, and then write down what the following words mean or what they are in your book to help out Timmy the Turtle. If you've finished helping out Timmy the Turtle and you still want to do some more work and you're loving this geography topic at the moment, I do have a challenge for you. So keep watching and you can do the challenge work as well. So here is my challenge for you. You've already learnt the 4 compass points. Quickly, can you remember what the phrase was? Pause the video here and have a think. The phrase was never eat slimy worms, and the compass points were north, east, south and west. But between those points there are also extra compass points. If you can see the little yellow spikes, there are some more, and they're represented by letters. So there they are. N-E, S-E, S-W and N-W. So using the information you know already, you know what the other letters represent, the individual letters. Can you think about what those smaller letters might represent? Pause the video and have a think. So N-E stands for northeast, N-W stands for northwest, S-E stands for southeast, and S-W stands for southwest. So those points represent the points between north and east, or all of the other 4 compass points that go off a bit more diagonally. So there's just more information for you about the compass. So have a good look at that. Remember what the compass points are. Now, as your challenge, can you draw your own compass in your book and label all of the compass points? So not only the 4 main ones, but the 4 smaller ones you've just learnt as well. Good luck! Well done for all of your hard work today. Remember, please do email us any work you've done. I'd love to see it. I hope loads of you got onto the challenge questions as well. I'll put the email address on the screen here, and I think it will also be in the description below. Have a good day.